The Body Brothers love to dance. They love to move. They love to learn about what animals do.
He's Cormac. He's Cian. Together we're a body machine.
And when they want to know more, they visit the fridge next door, and she says,
"Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B."
so much to discover with the Body Birds, the Body Birds. They are like no others. It's the Body Birds, the Body Birds.
Cormac, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get this cobweb with my duster.
Stand aside, please. This should do it.
That duster's as long as a giraffe's neck.
Hey, let's do a dance about giraffes.
Great idea. Do you know anything else about them?
No, but we know someone who will. Auntie B! I'll go ask her. You missed a bit up there.
Giraffes. I think that giraffes are cool because they're so tall. Giraffes have a neck. This is a picture of a giraffe I drew. Its neck is long and they fight with their neck. I love giraffes and I even got a t-shirt with a giraffe on it. And it has long neck and it has a long legs.
A baby giraffe is called a calf, a female giraffe is called a cow, and a male giraffe is called a bull. If you didn't know I was talking about giraffes, you might think I was talking about cows.
The Body Brothers.
Hi, Auntie B. What do you know about giraffes?
They're the tallest creature on 4 legs.
How tall is that?
Una, giraffes, please. Showing giraffes. Look how tall this fella is. Sure, I'm not even up to the top of his legs. A male giraffe can grow as tall as you, with Cormac on top of you, and me on top of ye both, and 2 footballs on top of me.
I wonder if they like being so tall.
Oh, I'd say they love it. Number 1, they can eat leaves from very tall trees that no other animals can reach. See?
Wow! How long is that tongue?
Oh, it's this long. And it's also prehensile.
Sorry, Auntie B?
Prehensile. It means it can grip things. See how the giraffe's prehensile tongue grips the branches and strips off the leaves.
Wow! So what's number 2?
Number 2 what?
The number 2 reason giraffes love being so tall.
The second advantage of being so tall is that it allows giraffes to keep a lookout over a very large area for predators that might want to eat them.
Like hungry lions.
Correct! Hey, I think it's time for a brilliant animal fact.
Brilliant animal fact.
Did you know giraffes are very light sleepers? They rarely sleep for more than half an hour a day. They can even sleep standing up. If they do decide to have a lie down, they curl up their long necks and rest them on their bottoms. Oh, comfy.
Brilliant animal fact.
Auntie B, do you know any giraffe moves for our dance?
How about the way that they move that long neck of theirs? See how it goes forwards and backwards when they walk. That keeps them perfectly balanced. And their necks are much more flexible than ours.
Flexible how?
Aha! Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B. Time to play how many bones are in a neck. Pretend these food tins are your neck bones. Now stack them up until you think you reach the right number.
Four. No. 5. Or maybe 6.
7. There are 7 bones in a human neck. Now, how many bones are in a giraffe's neck?
Oh, I'd say loads. Like 36 or 47 or...
7. There are also 7 bones in a giraffe's neck, but they are very big bones, a bit like these. Right, get stacking.
Now that is tall.
Yes, and these 7 bones are connected by joints that help the giraffe's neck to bend. And that's what makes it so flexible. Having a flexible neck is very handy, especially if you need to have an old scratch.
Auntie B, those giraffes sure do have some neck.
Ah.
The Body Brothers!
Okay, Cian, follow me. What a neck! What a neck! Those giraffes, they've got some neck. And then, what a neck! What a neck! Heads held high, they've got some neck. Now together. What a neck! What a neck! Those giraffes, they've got some neck. What a neck! What a neck! Heads held high, they've got some neck. Yes! Hey, do you know what time it is?
It's time to find a real giraffe.
Let's go to the wildlife park.
The Body Brothers!
Nom nom nom! It's feeding time at the wildlife park, and we're on our way to see the... Cormac, what are you doing?
27, 28. I'm testing to see how many licks it takes me to eat an ice cream. 29, 30.
Not now, Cormac. We've got to go feed the giraffes.
I can never get the ice cream at the bottom of the cone. I need a longer tongue.
That's why we're here.
To get me a longer tongue.
Yeah, no! To see how the giraffes use their super long tongues when they eat. Come on!
Wow! Look at the size of that tongue. It's so long. And she's able to grab the carrots.
That's called prehensile. It means being able to grip things. She's learning how to use her prehensile tongue.
Why does she have to learn how to use her tongue?
Because in the wild, giraffes eat leaves from the acacia tree. And the acacia tree is very thorny, so they need to use their long prehensile tongues to get the leaves without getting pricked by the thorns.
Well, I think she's got the hang of it.
I am about to feed these leaves to those giraffes, but first I'm going to tell you a bit more about their eating habits.
Cian,
acacia trees don't contain much nutrition. So in the wild, giraffes have to eat a lot of them. They can spend up to 20 hours per day munching on leaves. Cormac, did you get that?
4, 5, 6. Sorry, Cian.
The Body Brothers!
Giraffes.
One time I got to feed a giraffe and it was very slobbery when it tried to eat the food out of my hand.
If I had a giraffe pet, it would be really good because I have a big tree at my backyard and he'll eat all the leaves from that.
Giraffes wouldn't make a good pet because they'll break the house with their tall neck.
Why does a giraffe have a long neck?
I don't know. Why does a giraffe have a long neck?
Because his feet stink.
The Body Brothers!
There's nothing like a good workout to get the blood pumping. But do you know what pumps your blood? It's about the size of your fist. It's your heart. But a giraffe's heart is this big. And a giraffe's heart weighs almost as much as a 1-year-old toddler. Now, to get blood to my brain, my heart only has to go from here to here. But a giraffe's heart has to pump blood from here to here. So a giraffe really does need a big heart. Hey, let's play a game of Test the Giraffe's Heart. Meet my good friend Brian the Giraffe. I'm going to test whether this pretend heart can pump this pretend blood all the way up to Brian's brain. Will I give it a go? Okay. When his heart pumps, it squeezes like this. And the blood goes up, 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 up. Uh-oh. This heart isn't big enough. He's going to need a bigger one. Okay, this heart is bigger. And it's also thicker because a giraffe's heart isn't just big, it's also made of very strong muscles. They give it the extra strong pumping power it needs to pump blood all the way up there without getting damaged. Will it do the job? What do you think? Ready? Steady? Squeeze! Oh, are we nearly there? It worked! The heart pumped the blood all the way to his brain. Way to go, Brian! Oh, sure I forgot. Giraffes don't have hands, but they sure have some neck. Good man yourself, Brian.
The Body Brothers!
What's the next line again, Cormac?
It's, I've got a heart as big as a toddler. Now, what rhymes with toddler?
I know. And a tongue that's a wobbly wobbler.
Wobbly wobbler? Excellent. Right, all together. I've got a heart as big as a toddler and a tongue that's a wobbly wobbler. Yes, I think we've got it.
Let's
Go get ready to dance.
Giraffe.
What a neck! What a neck! Those giraffes, they've got some neck. What a neck! What a neck! Heads held high, they've got some neck. I'm a giraffe and I've got a long neck. The tallest creature on 4 legs. I've got a heart as big as a toddler and a tongue that's a wobbly wobbler. What a neck! What a neck! Those giraffes, they've got some neck. What a neck! What a neck! Heads held high, they've got some neck.
Tell me who's got the moves. Somebody brothers, somebody brothers. Just look at what they can do. Somebody brothers, somebody brothers.
See ya later next time on 1, 2,